There's no freaking way, bro. Can't even see, it's too dark.
What's up, bro?
Hugo lives here, bro. I can't believe it. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness!
Finally, Hugo! Hugo's new whip, bro. You guys know what that means? U-Haul, M3's in the garage. That's crazy. That means Hugo moved down here finally, bro. After how many years?
4 years.
But I think I've been asking Hugo for like 4 years to move down here.
Yeah, 4 years.
Yeah.
And he finally made it happen. Hugo's moving down here, so that means we're gonna make hella content.
It's the right time now.
We better make hella content, bro.
We have to.
It's gonna be sick. I cannot wait. Are you scared?
No.
Are you nervous? Are you sad?
Not even a little.
At all? Like you're excited? What's your emotion, bro?
I'm sad.
I'm excited.
Kim's sad.
I'm excited.
It's gonna be sick, bro. I'm telling you. There's a lot more shit to do down here. A lot more opportunities, and it's gonna be fucking sick.
Yeah.
And hopefully we, I don't know, start posting more videos.
No.
We can take both if you want. Have you been in a GTR? You wanna go in it? Are you scared?
You're gonna be scared. You don't think you're scared.
Alright, we're gonna go grab some food. We're gonna give him a ride though, because he's never been in a GTR. And he's actually super excited. So he had to come down and help Hugo bring all the cars, because Hugo has too many cars to bring. And then you guys are going back to Fresno tomorrow. Oh, yeah. They had to go back to Fresno to drop him off. Really? Make sure there's no cops. Sometimes cops be chilling in this parking lot right here.
Got scared?
It's slow, bro.
What's up, everybody? We made it.
Where we at, David?
All right, guys. I want you guys to smash the thumbs up, comment. Hugo's back, and
Forever now?
forever now. Yeah, like and subscribe for more content, boys. Yeah.
Alright guys, it's the next day now. We're headed to LAX airport right now. Hella traffic. But we're taking a GTR. We're about to pick up the homie Henry. You guys all remember the homie Henry from New York. He's the one who wrapped my GTR actually. He came into town this week and we're about to make a bunch of content. And we're about to finally wrap my 350Z, bro. I'm super freaking excited. I cannot wait till we start the wrap. We also gotta wrap another car for Distinct Vinyl. We're gonna do Sammy's Aventador. His Lamborghini Aventador. That one's gonna be sick. Stay tuned for that color reveal. And hopefully this time we can kick it more, because last time he was just rapping so much when he was here for the week. Hopefully this week we can actually do some car stuff with him too, show him some of the Cali car scene. You guys remember I went out to New York and he showed me some of the New York stuff. New York is lit, bro. I gotta go back out there. But yeah, he just landed. I gotta hurry up. I'm running late. Pick him up. Let's go. All the way from New York, dude. What's up? Bro, Henry, you haven't even seen it together. Last time when Henry wrapped it, he had to go home before it even got put together, but it looks good though, huh? Guys, look, we're driving home. Look what's behind me. Oh no. Don't do it, please. I hope not, bro. I feel like cops have been tripping over exhaust lately, and I'm not trying to get an exhaust ticket or state rep and all that shit. They don't got none of that shit over there on state reps in New York.
No, you
like-
rarely will get pulled over, and honestly, if you are getting pulled over, it's only because you wanted to stop.
I know, bro. I feel like if people in New York don't stop for cops, bro. I don't think you can get away that easy over here, though.
There's a lot of fucking people around.
I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see if we get pulled over. All right, guys. We made it back to the house. We got so many cars out here. Look, we got an E92, 350Z, F80, GTR. Imagine we had the E46 here still, but it's not at the house right now. But, bro, we have a lot of sick cars here. We ready? Are we gonna start wrapping it today?
We're gonna start and finish.
Oh my gosh. So Henry wants to start the wrap today, bro. The day that his freaking flight landed. We gotta get this thing all washed right now. We got the van out here. We're gonna get it all washed. Maybe clay bar. Look at this thing, bro. The roof is not coming out. I don't know what we're gonna do with the roof wrap. This thing has probably been on here for years, and the car's been just sitting in the sun from the previous owner, and yeah, this roof wrap is not coming off, bro, literally. The rest of the car looks What do you think, bro? Trash?
I'm gonna do my magic.
Henry's gonna bring this car back to life, watch.
We are.
No, I think once we wrap it, guys, we're gonna throw on the new trunk that we got that's over there sitting on the floor. Wrap it. I got new headlights that I gotta unbox. Throw them on the car and this thing's gonna look brand new. With new headlights and new wrap, It's gonna look sick. I can't wait.
Switch.
I know. Tight, bro. I can't wait. But it does look very, very bad right now. Very bad. Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Some crazy glue, that's it. You'll be alright.
But it needs a lot of work, but it'll get there. And this thing too. The fuck is that, David? Well, we're gonna move Hugo's car out the garage, put the Z like in the middle, wash the Z, throw it in the garage, and then we can start wrapping it. All right, let's start this loud ass E92. Shit is super loud, bro. I miss the E92 sound. Stick shift is so sick too. Alright guys, now we gotta start this thing. You know the drill. It has a bad exhaust leak, bro. Like really bad. It's like right under there. It sounded clean for like one day. So yeah guys, I'm super excited. Look, this is the last time you guys will see this car looking ugly, bro. I cannot wait to wrap over this ugly ass hood. It's carbon fiber, but it's like very, very hard to take this out, bro. You would actually need to like sand this down and like recoat it, re-clear coat it. Sun damage, bro. So hyped to cover up the hood, wrap the front bumper, have everything one piece. And like I said, we got new headlights, which I'll show in the upcoming video, but new headlights are going on as well. Really, really sick, bro. I cannot wait till this car is done. We also still gotta throw in the other seat. It's like right there, as you guys can see. And honestly, I'm super motivated again because I'm excited to wrap it. Like, I'm excited to see it red. I'm excited to fix the bumper fitment because it's really, really bad right now. But we're gonna take it off. And once we wrap it, throw the headlights on, slam it a little bit, it's gonna look so good and I cannot wait. It's gonna make me wanna drive it to car meets more often now, and I can't wait to show it to you guys, take it to car meets, take it to car events, and also weld the rear diff so then we can start drifting it on the street, which will be super fun. And you guys know I love all that drifting content. We're already disassembling it. The taillights are off. We're gonna try to take the bumper off. Alright guys, pretty much the car's disassembled now. Got the bumper off, got the headlights off, got the side skirts off. Bro, it looks like I don't know what we're doing here. Looks like we just stole the Z and we're partying it out. Look at all these random ass parts, bro. Tail lights. Yeah, and that's what's crazy, guys. We literally disassembled the entire Z with one 10mm socket, bro. That's all you need to disassemble a 350Z. For those of you that want to disassemble one, it's literally a 10mm, that's it. Other cars are super complicated, but this one's super easy. We're about to go grab some food, and right when we get back, maybe start laying a panel, and we can see the color, bro. I'm excited to see it. Guys, look at this. Here's the color. Even though it's probably black and white for you guys, I'm so sorry.
It's blue, guys.
Everyone's gonna be so mad at me in the comments, I already know, but bro, I have to tease you guys a little bit. We can't just reveal it right off the bat. We gotta reveal it when we reveal the car, you know? Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna guess what color this is, but what do you think, Hugo? You like it?
$500 and I'll give you the color right now.
What if someone actually sells you $500, bro? You better not give it away. What do you think, Henry? You like it?
Yeah, Cash App Project.
Everyone just wants something. Do you guys like the color or no? Is it gonna look good?
Sick. It's gonna be sick.
I think it's gonna look sick, bro.
It's gonna look crazy, especially with the wheels.
I know.
The lips.
It's gonna look sick. Imagine we do the same color as GTR. What if we are? I don't know. You guys will never know. Bro, I wish I could show you guys the color, but it looks insane.
Yeah, that shit looks hard, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
There you go.
I kind of want to do one. So this is the first time Henry's been wrapping with this material too.
It is.
It's Vinyl Frog. It's a new company. It's really freaking sick. They sent me out a roll, and this color is insane. This is probably one of my favorite colors of there.
Yeah, the color
Obviously.
looks crazy. Even with the wheels. Oh my god.
Tension right here, Nick. Just a little tension out, yeah.
But it's a new brand, so it's his first time using it. So every wrap material is not the same. Everything's different. And we're gonna see if he likes this one. I don't know. So far, I like the quality.
Yeah, it looks crazy.
I don't know about wrapping wise. We'll ask Henry right now, but
It's pretty tacky. I'm not gonna lie.
the finish looks really
very
good,
nice,
bro.
though.
This looks like literally like paint, bro.
Yeah, it looks
Finish
insane.
is very, very nice.
Yeah, this might be my favorite wrap. Bro, I'm not kidding. I will do this color on all my cars.
P92 next.
I like this.
Imagine we all rolled that same color.
I'm down. Well, you know how sick that would be? Imagine David's at fading it.
Oh. There's no way. You look like you were helping Henry's head. There's no way.
Alright guys, it is the next day now. Look at this. The whole car's almost done, but that whole side's done, this whole side's done, the side skirts are done, and Henry's over here working on the front bumper, bro. But this is actually really good. Black on the lip part, and then we'll do this. It's gonna look really sick. Bro, all we need is the hood, the bumpers, the roof, which I don't know how we're gonna get this off still, and then the new trunk. We gotta wrap that one and throw it on the car. And then have someone come swap the windows still too, but that shouldn't take that long. But it's almost done, guys. Henry came on during the worst week possible. It's been like a crazy heat wave here in California. Over 100 degrees every single day. Today I think it was like 108, bro. It was super, super bad, but this air conditioning thing is actually coming in clutch, so. We got that in the garage. The garage actually feels a little better. It's still hot though. But everyone right now, go follow Henry right now on Instagram, Project One. I'm gonna leave your Instagram right here. Go follow him, bro. Go follow his Instagram. He raps a bunch of crazy cars. He's gonna be rapping a lot of cars for me all the freaking time. Henry's probably gonna rap every single car of mine now that I own. For sure. But go follow him on Instagram. He's killing it. He's doing a lot of freaking work on this car, on all the cars. And we're also wrapping Sammy's Lambo, which you guys will see in the next video. Sammy's Lamborghini Aventador. We're doing a whole new wrap on that car, and Henry's doing it. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be sick. Next video, you guys will probably see the reveal, hopefully. And I think I might do a little merch drop too with this reveal, just like I did with the GTR. Sorry this had to be black and white, but I have to tease you guys a little bit. It has to be, I have to hype up the reveal, you know what I mean? So if you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Go subscribe to Hugo, huh? Fuck him.
Go subscribe to him. Get up to 10K, guys.
Yeah, go subscribe to Hugo too. Hugo's at work right now, guys.
We
But
actually might be wrapping his car
He's
for
out
Simo.
there grinding.
I know, Hugo's out there working. We're gonna be wrapping his car soon too. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.